We're out at Riverside Stables, which is Inglis's new development. We're a thoroughbred auctioneer, but we're also a hotel with 144 rooms. We're able to build a brand new purpose-built facility with the hotel as well. It's based around conferencing, as well as horse auctions. We really wanted to create a lot of atmosphere at the auctions. We didn't want a tinny or a hollow sound. We wanted the auctioneers to sound great, and we wanted that level of clarity for the bidders to know exactly what the bid was at. Very early on, we sat down and met with PA people, with Chris Dodds and his team, and ran through all of our requirements.
The vocal intelligibility is the key from an auction point of view. We selected a Bose Showmatch system as being the array of choice for the space. The configuration here is 3 5-degree boxes, a 10-degree box and a 20-degree box. The 3 5 degrees are reasonably closely coupled, and then the 10 and the 20 underneath. Its crossover point is at 750 Hertz, so that's quite low in the vocal range. Yet we find that the EMB2 driver that provides the top end is remarkably smooth and punchy. The array covers about 130 degrees horizontally. Each cabinet has adjustable waveguides or optional waveguides, so we can adjust the horizontal coverage of every cabinet independently of every other cabinet, which gives us that unique capacity of all of Bose's Delta Q products, which means that energy goes on the seats and not on the walls.
It is also a flexible system so that we can have other events in here, whether it's concerts or videos on the big screen. The Bose rig was more than adequate to cope with the demands of the concerts that we've had here already.
It looks deceptively small, but it can deliver anything that the room can take. My argument would be the room is the limiting factor rather than the sound system.